Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious whipped cream without butter. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need heavy cream, which is crucial for whipping, and powdered sugar for sweetness and stability. Remember, the colder your cream, bowl, and whisk are, the better your whipped cream will turn out. This simple preparation ensures a light and airy texture every time. Now, let's get to whipping. Pour your cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Begin beating on medium-high speed. You'll see it thicken and form soft peaks, meaning it holds its shape but still has a gentle curl. Continue whipping until you achieve stiff peaks, where the cream stands firm. Be careful not to overwhip, as it can quickly turn from fluffy cream into a grainy mess or even butter. Once you've mastered the basic whipped cream, it's fun to experiment with flavors. A half teaspoon of vanilla extract is a classic choice, but don't stop there. For a decadent treat, try adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can also brighten things up with a teaspoon of fresh lemon or orange zest. The possibilities are truly endless for customizing your cream. To keep your homemade whipped cream fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will generally stay delicious for up to 3 days. If it loses a little stiffness, you can gently re-whisk it for a few seconds. For more great tips and to explore a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for a link and other deals. Enjoy your perfectly whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.